with Deshaun Bernard, centre back, Sheffield Wednesday, formerly of Manchester United, called up. Deshaun, how does it feel to make your debut on home soil?
Yeah, definitely a proud feeling, being back in the homeland. Obviously, I've got a lot of family here, so hopefully I can do them proud, and obviously they can all come and watch and see me play.
And where's your family from, and will any of them be in the stadium?
Obviously, all over, to be honest, all over. It's hard to name one, but St Elizabeth, down here in Kingston, everywhere. So hopefully they can all come down and play and watch me play. Sorry.
And what can the fans expect from you if you're given the chance to run out?
I'm obviously always going to give my all, no matter what. Whenever I put on the shirt, it's 100% effort for me, and hopefully we can do that as a team collectively and get the win.
Okay, final question. This is the office. One time we were 51 and undefeated.
Yes.
And this is a new generation. How
Yes.
do you think you're going to feel when you hear the Vibes Cartel, the big speakers blazing, the smoke in the ear? Kingston, make it one word. Yeah. One word. How are you going to feel when you hear that?
Yeah,
Reggae music, the dancehall music. What's the feeling it's going to give to you as a Jamaican who's come up from England?
Just a lot of energy, Obviously, I've heard how it was a fortress here, 51, like you said, and obviously it just encouraged us really, and hopefully we can get it back to that and stay undefeated here from,
Respect. Next to that passing through.